Hi everyone, it's Shauna here at the Manitoba Museum, and today I'm taking us behind the scenes to the lab of Dr. Diana Robson, the curator of botany. I think she's working on some really cool specimens in there, and we get to take a sneak peek.
Hi Shauna.
Hi! Okay.
So today I'm going to be showing you some of the specimens that are in the museum's natural history collection. The species that are here on the table are ones that we are getting ready to put in the Prairies Gallery. This first specimen is a puffball mushroom. Now, mushrooms are basically like the flowers of a fungus. The main part of the fungus is actually underground, and it consists of hair-like structures called hyphae. But fungi need to reproduce themselves, and so they create these structures called mushrooms. Now, when this puffball mushroom is mature, it will crack open, revealing the spores inside. Now, the spores are like the babies of a fungus, and there are probably about 1 billion of them in there. They're really, really tiny. They're like dust, and they blow away very easily in the wind, until eventually all of the spores are gone, and all that's left is a little husk. When those spores land in a new habitat, they will germinate and grow into new fungi.
Okay, so spores are kind of like seeds, but wait a second, are fungi plants or are they considered animals?
Scientists used to classify them as plants because they didn't move, but the more we learned about them, the more we realized that they were actually completely different than plants. They can't photosynthesize, and they actually eat by decomposing dead plants and animals in the environment. Now that's extremely important because if they didn't do that, life on land would screech to a halt.
Whoa, so fungi are super important. They're essentially like nature's recyclers.
Yes, that's correct. So the next species I want to show you is a very unusual type of organism. It's called a lichen. And a lichen is actually a mutualistic organism. It consists of a fungus with algae inside its tissues. The algae inside will photosynthesize, so they take light and they take water and carbon dioxide and they create sugars out of it. The algae will share those sugars with the fungus, and the fungus in turn protects the algae and gets water for it and any minerals that it might need to live on. So it's really quite an interesting and fascinating relationship. This particular species is called a reindeer lichen, and it is very, very common up in the Arctic, and caribou like to eat it, but you can also find it in the prairies. It's got this really distinctive branching pattern to it that looks very much like a tree, and it grows that way because it maximizes the amount of light that it's going to receive by having that shape.
So cool. Reindeer like the lichen, and I'm liking lichen too. Thank you so much, Diana, for showing us these specimens. Fungi and lichen are amazing. And remember, everyone, you can see the specimens too in the Prairies Gallery. Thank you.